Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore deleted apps on iPhone. So today I'm going to show you two ways because there are two ways of removing the app on your iPhone. First one is once you have long pressed the said application and then you've tapped remove app, you'll have two options in here, delete app and remove from home screen. So I'm going to show you both on how you can restore both of these options. First is remove from home screen. Once you've tapped remove home screen, the said application will be removed to your home screen. So as you can see in here, it's not in here anymore. But you can still see it here on your app library. So as you can see, it's here on recently added. Just tap on this. Long press the said application and then tap on add to home screen. And then as you can see, it's already back here on my home screen without losing any data. Second one is once you've long pressed this application, tap remove app and then tap delete app, tap delete. Then the application will not be on your home screen and will not be on your app library. That means you haven't installed the said application. What you need to do is to restore that, go to your Apple Store and then search for the said application. Once you have searched the application, just tap on install button in here so that you can restore or retrieve the said application. What's good with iPhone is once you have installed any application and accidentally uninstalled it, as long as you're using the same email address on your Apple ID, then if you're going to install the application again, you will not lose any data that's been saved to the application that you have before. And that's how to restore deleted apps on iPhone. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.